General rules of naming organic compounds according to IUPAC. In general, an IUPAC name has three essential parts. A prefix that indicates the type and the position of the substituents on the main chain. The base or root that indicates a major chain or ring of carbon atoms found in the molecule's structure. E.g. meth for 1 carbon atom, eth for 2 carbon atoms, prop for 3 carbon atoms, hex for 6 carbon atoms, etc. The suffix designates the functional group. E.g. ana for alkanes, ene for alkenes, ol for alcohols, oic acid for carboxylic acids, and so on. Steps followed for naming organic compounds. 1. Identify the parent hydrocarbon. It should have the maximum length, or the longest chain, and the maximum number of multiple bonds. 2. Identify the parent functional group, if any, with the highest order of priority. 3. Identification of the side chains. 4. If the same substituent occurs 2 or more times, the prefix di, tri, tetra, is attached to substituent's name. Its locants separate the prefix from the name of the substituent. 5. Identify the remaining functional groups, if any, and name them. Different side chains and functional groups will be listed in alphabetical order. 6. The prefixes di, tri, tetra, are not taken into consideration when grouping alphabetically. But prefixes such iso, neo are considered. 7. Identify the position of the double or triple bond. 8. Number the chain, left to right, or right to left. The sum of the numbers which show the location of the substituents is the possible smallest. 9. Numbers are separated by commas. Hyphens are added between numbers and words. Successive words are merged in one word. IUPAC rules for naming alkanes. Find and name the longest continuous carbon chain. Identify and name groups attached to this chain. Number the chain consecutively, starting at the end nearest a substituent group. Designate the location of each substituent group by an appropriate number and name. Assemble the name, listing groups in alphabetical order. The prefixes di, tri, tetra, etc. are used to designate several groups of the same kind and are not considered when alphabetizing. In case of chains of the same length, the priority is for the one of many branched alkyl groups. For cycloalkanes, the prefix cyclo is recommended and then after the name of the alkanase of the same carbon number. But in case of ramified cycloalkanase, the seniority is for the ring. Examples. Example 1, 2-methyl-propane or isobutane. Example 2, 4-trimethylpentane. Example 3, 4-ethyl 8-tetramethyldecaine not 7-ethyl 9-tetramethyldecaine, see point 8 in general rules. Example 4, 5-trimethyl-4-propylheptane. Example 5, cyclopentane. Thank you for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment.